Prahat Kumar, and now I'm going to tell you what is the interfaces in Java, and we are going to implement the interfaces in Java with the code. So let's start. So what is interfaces in Java? So an interface is a collection of abstract methods. In other words, an interface is a completely abstract class used to group related methods with empty bodies. An interface specifies what a class can do but not how it can be. So let's do the coding part and then we understand what is interfaces in real thing. So let's create a new Java class and type the name of the file as interfaces. Press enter. There we go. We have a file here. Press enter, take it back, and now we are going to implement the interfaces. Fine. So how to implement the interface? For that, you need to use the keyword interface. Okay, let's say here interface language. Let's say we'll create a class interface language. Interface language, and here we're gonna create one method that is going to get what is the so here we are creating one method inside the interface language string. Let's say name. Okay, let's say name, and don't define this anything. This function is just this is just an interface and a method inside it. We are going to create a class and we are going to implement that interface in the class. This is how we used to do to access the abstract classes. Let's create here class implements fine interface. Okay, now we are going to create a let's say a class programming language. Fine, programming lang. Fine, enter. So but we had to implement that interfaces also. Let's say let's implement, and so how to implement that interfaces in this class? Simple. Use the implements keyword, implements, and the interface name is language. Got it. Now you can see here the red line, that is an error kind of thing that's showing as you have to use that abstract method. You need to declare it in the class if you are implementing the interfaces. So there is a method called getMan, getName. So this basically is abstract method, kind of. Not kind of, it's abstract method only. So let's implement it, and the best way to implement it is okay. Okay, fine. We'll make it public void get name. It's not showing here still. String name. Fine. What this get name is going to do? So what is this is going to return some? What is your favorite language? Kind of that thing we are going to do here. Implementation. So let's say fine system of out.println, and what we will do is println. Fine. So my favorite language is okay. My favorite language is my is Python. So plus name, right? It's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Now we are going to define the main method. What is the wait public static void? Sorry, void main string arguments of array means string and enter. Now first we need to create an object of that classes programming language class. So to create an object, simply programming language obj. In this instead of obj you can write anywhere. I've just write it as I found so simple to do that. And again you need to programming language. Fine. Enter here obj dot get name. We are going to pass. So my favorite language is, let's say, C++. Fine, actually. And now we are going to execute this program. Current file, press that button and we got an error. Java cannot find single programming language. Oh my god. Programming language. Why this error is coming here? Programming lang. This is the class that we have implemented, right? Implements language, get name, system order print ln, and here we go. And programming lang, and why we are getting this error? Object program. Okay. We are missing here something new keyword, right? Now that our problem is solved, right? Again, we're going to execute this program and we got the output. My favorite language is C++, you can say. So what did we learn from here? So basically, an interface is like a stack classes, where stack methods are defined not with their body. So you can see here, there's a lot of, there's only one stack method I've defined, and we have implemented in the simple programming language class, and its access is, this is called as interface. So language is interface here. Oh, that's it, guys. Okay, fine.